Hello friends, welcome to Hotel Guruji channel. Today I am going to make veg fried rice. So let's see how to make veg fried rice. So I take a pan, I take oil, this is onion, this is onion, toss little. Toss this onion a little bit, not much. Now I add beans and carrot, cabbage, toss this also. This is all vegetables. Now I add rice, boiled rice. Everybody know how to boil rice, so I never show you guys how to boil rice because I don't want to waste your time. Now I put little more rice, salt, ajinomoto, white pepper, soya sauce, vinegar, chili sauce, red chili sauce. Mix it together, everything, and toss. Now I add coriander leaves. That's coriander leaves. Okay, fried rice is ready. Look at. If you like my video, please press like button and subscribe button and comment also, and press also all bell icon for new notification, and share with your friend please.